The Congress's second disappointment today has been in Assam, where the ruling BJP has been leading in 75 of 126 seats and appear comfortably placed to retain power.
A rather low-key celebration at the Assam BJP headquarters because of COVID restrictions. A sharp contrast to the no-holds-barred campaign. But the muted scenes didn't take away from the comprehensive victory for the BJP in Assam and Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal and Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma against the Congress-led Mahajot Alliance. Sonowal has retained his Majuki seat for the second time.
जनता ने जैसे हमें आशीर्वाद दिया है उसी हिसाब से निश्चित हो गया कि बीजेपी की सरकार बनेगी.
This even as no official announcement has been made on him being the chief minister for the second term, once the BJP's main face in the state after his fight against the Congress. In the campaign, ex-Congress turned BJP faithful Himanta Biswa Sarma played an equal, if not a larger role.
Sonowal's party did not project him ahead of the polls, but this splendid victory is going to strengthen his case. But the choice is not easy for the central leadership of the party. The other big leader, Himanta Biswa Sarma, has not only managed but also spearheaded the poll campaign. There have been so much of media talks about no chief minister's candidate being projected by the BJP.
That you have to ask my central parliamentary board.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी का सरकार बनेगा और हिमंता बिस्वा शर्मा अगले सीएम होगा, यही आशा लेके हम लोग आए हैं.
The BJP and ally AGP once again swept the Assamese heartland of Upper Assam, the Tea Garden Belts and even the Bodoland region with newfound ally UPPL. Mahajot ally BPF performed poorly. The Congress alliance was seen as having put up a good fight even after the death of veteran Tarun Gogoi. Seat sharing, United State leadership and frequent visits by both Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi came amid reports that the Mahajot had a fighting chance. This despite the BJP attacking the Congress for its links with Ajmal, whom BJP compared with the Mughal invaders and claimed to be enemy of the country. The results, however, were a huge disappointment for the alliance. Ajmal's AIUDF could barely hold on to its previous tally and Congress could not maximize its seats. Himanta Biswa Sarma won with over 1 lakh votes from Jalukbari constituency for the 5th consecutive term. BJP is perhaps to decide on the chief minister. There is no clear answer on this. With Ratnadeep Chaudhary in Guwahati, Rohit Wellington for Indie TV.